Most people don't lose money in crypto because crypto is a scam. They lose money because they enter the market without understanding how it works. They buy when everyone is excited. They sell when everyone is scared. This pattern repeats in every market cycle. The first reason people lose money is emotion. Fear and greed control decisions. People chase green candles. They panic sell red candles. Smart investors do the opposite. They buy when fear is high. They stay patient when prices are boring. The second reason is lack of a plan. Most people enter crypto without knowing why they're buying, how long they plan to hold, or when they will exit. Without a plan, every price movement feels like an emergency. The third reason is no risk management. People go all in on one coin. They invest money they cannot afford to lose. They ignore diversification. One bad trade wipes out months of progress. The fourth reason is chasing hype. Influencers promise fast money. Viral coins appear overnight. People buy because they don't want to miss out. But hype fades. Strong projects survive. So what do smart investors do differently? They study fundamentals. They invest long-term. They manage risk. They stay calm. Crypto is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a long-term game. If you want to survive in crypto, stop chasing hype and start building logic.